Meaning of enjoyment.
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 Enjoyment. Enjoyment refers to the state of experiencing pleasure, satisfaction or delight from an activity, event or object. It is characterized by positive emotions such as happiness, contentment, and joy, which often lead to a sense of fulfillment and well-being. The experience of enjoyment can be subjective and may vary depending on the individual's preferences and experiences. It can be achieved through various means such as spending time with loved ones, engaging in hobbies and interests, traveling, trying new things, and achieving personal goals. Overall, enjoyment adds value and meaning to our lives, contributing to our overall happiness and sense of worth.